So hey guys, welcome to the new video. Today in this video we are going to see that how can you create and edit your HTML files which are front-end files in your VS Code. Okay, so firstly we need to open a particular folder in VS Code. Let me open my VS Code, and I have already selected the folder where I will be creating files for today's video. Then what you have to do is you will be needing an extension to view your, you can say, view your HTML files. Go in your extensions tab and check for live server. You will be needing this extension. I have installed this one, so I will be using this extension to view my HTML codes. Then go in your Explorer again. Then click on the folder name and this new file button. I will name this as index.html. Then what you have to do is you need the default boilerplate of your HTML code. For that, click shift and then 1. You will get this exclamatory sign and then click enter. You will get this boilerplate. Here you can title your, you can say, HTML file. I will title this as basic tutorial, and then I will type here in paragraph tag hello world. Okay, and then I will just save this, Control S, and then go live. Okay, sorry. So yeah, this was the one which we have created just now. And if you want to edit this, let's say I will type this as hello user and then save this and then reload this. Here you can see hello user. So guys, that's all for this video. Now let's see you next time.